Hey guys, so I've just done another video of what I've done on this weekend, and I thought I'd show you the hub kits that I used. This is from MaxiTrack. There's the part number there if you want to get your own. There we go. Yeah, so it's MaxiTrack. So it has the steel plates, the rubber seal, the felt seal, and it has these, which are the kingpin bearings. I'll give you a part number there. That's for your kingpin. Those there, which are wheel bearing seals, I'm pretty sure. The inner ones, because it doesn't have outer ones. That's your axle seal, where the axle comes out of your axle housing. These are your hub seals, gaskets, sorry. So there's an inner and an outer one. And it also has the locking tabs for your wheel bearing nut. So when I actually did this, it didn't have any seals in it. So I had to have a real hard look around on the internet to try and find out how the seals go. So I'll just show you now. It goes with these ones here in first. These are the ones with the square bits cut out of them. So they go in first like this. So the wheel is where the cardboard is. Okay, so the wheel is on that side of these. So your diff is here somewhere and the axle goes through that way. And then it goes this, the rubber one. There's a small lip on one side and then a big lip on the other side. The big lip comes to the top. And then your felt. And it doesn't matter which way up the felt goes because it's the same both ways. So that goes up that way. And I put grease all over all of this because I like putting grease on stuff. It makes it last longer. And then this here, like that. And these are one way and then the other way. So the steel pieces. So the parting on the first steel piece is there, and then the other one is 90 degrees out. And that's pretty much how it goes, just like that. Yeah, and I also have wheel bearings for it. B&T branded ones. There's the part number there. And I have two because they're both extremely rumbly, as you can kind of hear. The other side's worse. So I'm not going to be driving too far on those. So yeah, that's how that all goes. Right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you next time.